Hey everyone, this is Lady J. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make Nigerian fried rice with an American twist. Let's get started. Okay, so first let's start with our ingredients. Some of these you can find in your local grocery store. Some you can find in your local African market. If you don't have these readily available, please see the description box below with links to these items you can find on Amazon. Let's get started. First, we're going to add in our meats. Today I am using beef and shrimp. Next, I'm going to add in 1 small red chopped onion. Next will be my spices. I have curry, thyme, and maggi. Us Americans call maggi bouillon cubes. Next, we're going to add in some salt and some red pepper. Now, the key to making the flavor really stand out in this dish is to only add just enough water to this mixture to submerge the meat in. Turn your fire on high, stir in very well, and cook. Periodically, you want to check the pot, make for sure nothing is sticking, and also to ensure that your meat is being cooked thoroughly. Okay, so now we're going to check our pot to see if the meat is ready. Once it is, we're going to start removing this meat from the pot and putting it into a separate bowl. This is because the water left over is going to be used to cook our rice. Okay, so now that the meat has been removed, we can add in our rice. So today I'm going to be using about 2 cups of rice. I'm going to make sure that's stirred in very well. You guys keep in mind that the flavor in this particular dish has to really stand out. So we're going to add in some more seasoning. Here I'm adding in, of course, more curry, salt, and maggi. Stirring it in very well. And of course, we have to add a little bit more water. The way I measure water is I try to add in about enough water to where it measures about 1 inch right above the rice. Alright, so once you have found the perfect water level, go ahead and turn that fire on high, close the pot with the lid, and cook your rice. Your rice should look just like this once it's ready. Go ahead and just stir that up a bit. Now we're going to start adding in the meats. Here we have again our beef and our shrimp mixture. I'm going to stir that in as well with our cooked liver that has been chopped. Make sure that's mixed in very well. And of course, lastly, we're going to add in our vegetables. This mixture consists of I think peas, corn, carrots, and green beans. And so here we have it, our finished product, a Nigerian fried rice dish. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, and stay tuned for more delicious meals made right here on my channel. Thanks for watching.